An uncommon plan to develop 1000 sandalwood bushes in Lutyens, Delhi has begun with the arrival from Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh of the primary batch of their sapling, which can obtain uncommon pampering. Around the clock safety guard will defend the sapling from potential theft and injuries. Delhi already has sandalwood bushes at parks and gardens akin to Lodi Garden, Buddha Park and Talkatora Garden. However, that is for the primary time when sandalwood plantation is being taken up at such an enormous scale, an official mentioned. According to the plan, apart from further care, safety guards can be deployed to make sure that the sandalwood sapling ain't stolen or broken. NDMC member Kuljit Singh Chahal advised PTI for 1000 sapling of pink and white sandalwood bushes can be planted in closed locations like park, garden of residential society on account of safety issues underneath the jurisdiction of the New Delhi Municipal Council. The first consignment of the sandalwood sapling has arrived within the nationwide capital and preparations are underway for their plantation, Mr. Chahal mentioned, including they won't be planted along street stretches. If we plant sandalwood sapling along road stretches, they may get stolen or damaged. These saplings required extra care and security. Our existing guards will be used for the safety of the sapling, he mentioned. Mr. Chahal mentioned 600 sapling can be planted within the south circle of the NDMC with incorporate area like Lodi Garden, Sarojini Nagar, Chanakyapuri amongst others, whereas the north circle contain areas like Rajpath, Sansad Marg, Connaught Place, Mother Teresa Crescent and Gold Market amongst others. However, Mr. Chahal didn't disclose the small print about the price of the sandalwood sapling. It comes after Lieutenant Governor Vijay Kumar Saxena had in July directed all lands proudly owning companies NDMC, MCD, DBA, Delhi Parks and Garden Society, Delhi Biodiversity Society to plant 10,000 sandalwood sapling throughout the town through the ongoing monsoon season. The NDMC also plans to geotag the trees with QR codes and install information board along the trees through which the public can scan and read about their benefits. Trees will also be installed in schools so students can learn about them. It will generate botanical interest among students. Asking about challenges, the official said there are setbacks especially due to Delhi's climate condition, but it can be dealt with proper tending of trees. The cost of one sandalwood sapling is around 350 rupees and the estimate cost of 1000 trees is 3.5 lakh rupees. Tenders have been floated for procurement of chandan trees and the plantation will begin by September. Officials added that they have a target to plant 2500 trees eventually. The Municipal Corporation of Delhi is about to obtain saplings. Although civic bodies have begun the method of procuring sandalwood sapling, some setting consultant raised issues citing that Delhi's local weather isn't appropriate for sandalwood bushes. Environment knowledgeable Pradeep Kishan, who can also be the creator of the book Trees of Delhi, mentioned it's a stupid thing to do. If you bring a polar bear in Delhi and keep him in an ice house, it may be survive, but it is a stupid thing to do. You need to match the tree to the soil, moisture regime and climate. The moment you stop looking after the trees, it will die, Mr. Krishan advised PTI. He mentioned sandalwood would not develop in Delhi. If you set in it a backyard and provide all the eye it wants, it would survive, but it isn't an intelligent factor to do, he added. It might be possible to give close attention to a small number of trees, but who would take care of thousands of trees, Mr. Kishan mentioned. Another settling knowledgeable Manoj Mishra mentioned its potential that sandalwood bushes might survive in Delhi. However, their hardwood will lack the scent these trees are well known for. Properties of a tree depend on the climate. If there would be no scent in the wood, it will not serve any purpose. These trees will not be of any commercial values, mentioned Mr. Mishra, who's an Indian Forest Service officer. That's all for now. Keep watching news site for further updates. Thank you.